Y'all, it's really late, and I don't know where this accent has come from, but it's not going anywhere at the moment. I used some clear school glue. You need it to be clear. Then I used some red food coloring and some blue food coloring. Then you'll just need something to put it on. I use paper plate and then something to mix with. You can just move your finger. Doesn't matter. So I'm going to show you real quick how to make it. It's not hard at all. So this is what I do. You put some glue on a plate in a circle, however much you want. And then you do a smaller circle compared to that circle. So in the bigger circle, we want to put several drops of red. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it looks, no, it doesn't look like a flower anymore, but you know, gravity and stuff moves. And then I put 6 dots of red in the big pile. So in this little pile, I will put, I'll just do 2. 1, 2 drops of blue. Now, you're going to mix each pile individually. So you'll have a very, very, very red pile of glue. And the food coloring really helps to loosen up the glue so it gets more runny like blood. But you see how red that is? That's too red. And then you have blue here. You want to mix that up. You don't want to mix them together at first, because they'll turn purple and it won't turn red. So you have a little bit of blue on whatever you were using to mix. So take that little bit of blue and stir it in with your red. Now you see the red's getting darker, but it's not. Oh my God. Okay, so my camera is rude. So as I was saying before, I was so rudely interrupted. We had a little bit of blue when we mixed our blue pile. Now we're using that to stir in the red. And as you can see, the red has gotten much darker. And you just mix that in to the best of your ability, which shouldn't be very hard because it should not be hard to mix colors. And then you just keep going back and forth between the blue and the red without really mixing the piles together, because you don't want it to turn purple. And yeah, you just keep mixing it until you get the color that you want. So I'm okay with this color here. Now if you make it too dark, just add another drop of red food coloring to your red pile, and then, you know, blah 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 blah, blase blase. Get it how you want it. Now I have blood. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get on the counter so you can see me. Oh my God. Okay, get comfortable. Yeah, see, now I have blood. And it's, since it's school glue, it's toxic free. So I can put it on my mouth and all of that. So, yeah. Now we have blood. Yeah, so now you have blood. It drips. You just have to, when I want my blood to drip, I use like a little syringe, like one of these. And I just suck it up and then push it, and then it drips like this. Is starting to drip a little bit. You know, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. And it does dry. That's the only inconvenient part about it, since it is glue. It does dry. So, yeah, that's it. That's how I make my own blood when I'm doing like short time stuff. Like if I'm just taking a picture or something, or it takes it a while to dry when you use more. So like if you're not using just like one layer of blood, like you'll be fine. Cause I did it and it lasted me a few hours without drying. So there you go. That's how you make some quick, easy blood. So like if you can't find any blood because it's not Halloween time or anything, you can just go buy you some food coloring and some glue from the store, and it's less than $5. So there you go. If I figure out how to make my coagulated scab blood or whatever, I will come and let y'all know. But make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Comment, say hi, subscribe. It means a lot to me, you know, because yeah. Yeah. So yeah, that's all I gotta say. I'll catch y'all in the next video.